Kamakailan lamang ay naging guest ni Bella Padilla si Ryan Bang sa kanyang YouTube channel, kung saan ay na-interview nga ni Bella itong si Ryan Bang. Sa nasabi nga pong episode, isa sa naitanong ni Bella Padilla kay Ryan ay kung mayroon daw mga nanonood na especially the 14-year-old o mga minor o mga kabataan ngayon, ano daw ang maia-advise ni Ryan Bang o maipapayo ni Ryan sa mga ito. Narito po ang buong pahayag ni Ryan. If you could give a young person advice right now, if there was a 14-year-old watching today, what makes Ryan Bang's limitless? Tanong ni Bella kay Ryan. Always listen to your parents. Kasi when I was 14, I thought many people cared about me. But they really don't care about other people eh. Who really cares about you is your family and parents lang. No one really cares about you that much. Pahayag pa ni Ryan. You pray to God and you listen to your parents. That's my most secret. And when you grow old, you have to honor your parents. Para i-bless ka ni Lord. Yun lang naman yun eh. Yun yung payo ko sa mga kabataan. Hindi nga muli maiwasan na ma-connect ito sa 2 times gold medalist na si Carlos Yulo sa nangyayari ngayon na kontrobersya sa kanyang pamilya, sa kanyang ina na si Mrs. Angelica Yulo. At marami pang iba na naging issue. Ilang mga netizen ang sinabi na sana daw ay mabasa o madinig ni Carlos Yulo ang nasabing mensaheng ito ni Ryan Bang. Say pa ng isang netizen, send this message to Kaloy. Narito pa ang naging mensahe ng ilang netizen. Say nila, totoo po ito at the end of the day, yung friends, best friends mo, ay may sariling buhay at problema. Walang nandyan sa'yo kung ang parents mo, kapatid at partner mo lang. Very good advice, you grow away from your parents, but look at you now, you are better person, businessman. Say pa ng isang netizen, TBH, maganda yung advice niya, pero that depends on what kind of parents you have. Kasi may ibang magulang na mas ipinapahamak ang anak kesa protektahan. Let us admit na di lahat ng magulang ay uliran o mahal ang kanilang anak. Kaya depende sa uri ng magulang na meron ka. Say naman ng isa, okay, you or we can stand on your own opinion. Mostly children now have their own world and they even know what was good or bad, but they stand on their own. And yun laging nasa huli ang pagsisisi. Nagkapamilya ng maaga, sa pamilya pa rin ang landing, di ba? Suwail tapos uwi pa rin sa magulang kasi hindi kinaya. Sabi naman ng isa, akala mo naman kasuklam-suklam ginagawa ng nanay ni Carlos. Tapos yung problema ng iba sa sarili nilang nanay sa nanay ni Carlos, ibinubuhos. At muli ngang naibahagi ang Article 195 of the Family Code. This article explicitly lists the order of persons who are obliged to support each other, which includes parents and their children. As per this code, children are bound to provide support to their parents when they are in need. At yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.